Okay, so how to make a badge reel with a badge buddy. So you just start off with your epoxy, and that is going to be your UV epoxy and your glitter of choice. You're going to peel back your protective shield that's on your badge buddy, and then just pour on your UV resin with your glitter. And make sure you evenly coat it. Make sure it's kind of smooth. If not, it's going to be kind of bumpy when you dry it under your light. But smooth it out the best you can. And it looks like here I was running out of my mixture, but I get it covered completely. So no worries there. This is somewhat of a chunky glitter, so it's a little bit harder to get it smoothed out, but it worked out perfectly for what I needed it for. So after you have it completely covered, all your spots are covered, you want to cover it, put it under a UV light. So now we're starting with the actual badge reel. So this is going to be for an RN. So again, you flip it over on the back side. And you're going to use your same mixture of UV resin and your glitter and coat the back. Okay, so now we're going to add our vinyl. I created my own SVG using Cricut Design Space. That's why I don't have the little hole up there. I'm going to cut it out later, but just make sure you line it up on your acrylic blank here as best you can. As you can see here, I had to realign this a couple of times, but eventually it works itself out. And once we get the vinyl overlay on the acrylic blank, what I'll do is I'll take one of my my tools and I'll cut through where the ID badge reel is going to go through, and it'll be fine. And then after this, we'll just take another layer of UV resin on the top of this badge buddy and on the RN, and we are done.